So hello everybody, good morning, welcome to back my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Rethapa. I am a student of the SAS Institute Management Study MMS first year. So today the topic of my presentation, like Hindi to English moving the the topic is is a Sultan. So I want to say something about Sultan movie. So Sultan movie is a very cute story and very love story, and my best actor playing role like Sultan is Salman Khan. It's like a Sallu Bhai. Every people saying about Sallu Bhai. So this is my best actor, and I like this movie, and so cute story and love story. And let's see about this movie story in my words.
सुल्तान तेजी से आगे बढ़ते हुए और यो लगाया सुल्तान ने दौड़। हरियाणा का शेर दोबारा हरियाणा केसरी।
So all day we are talking about Sultan movie. So Sultan is story about village boy Sultan Ali Khan. Is a movie when you Sultan Salman Khan meet Arfa is Anushka Sharma. He is fall in love when you Sultan he's try to propose.
डाल के देखे ना तो अंधी लड़की भी पट जावे। लग गए 440 वोल्ट छोड़ने से
Her the Arfa is just rejected by him saying that he's doing nothing and never his life. So then you Sultan.
मुझे तुझ जैसे गवार से दोस्ती करनी नहीं चाहिए थी। क्या सोचा मैं 4 दिन तेरे साथ घूमूंगी तो प्यार हो जाएगा? Look at you and look at me. क्या लगे तुझे क्या हो सके हम दोनों के बीच? स्टेट चैंपियन हूँ मैं। जिंदगी में एक ड्रीम है, गोल है, और तेरी औकात क्या है? एक जोकर जो अपनी अखड़ बिरास सर पैर की बातें करके लोगों को हंसाता रहता है। जानता है किससे होता है प्यार? जिसकी तुम इज्जत कर सकते।
Then you Sultan get very hurt and he's starting training. Himself and be wrestler, then you lots of match win and become the local wrestler, so champion. We are thinking the represent by India the Olympic. After become the champion of Arfa and Sultan get married. Now Arfa gets pregnant when she asked from Sultan. He need a boy or girls. He's always saying that is need a boy. This is main conclusion of the make, and then always from each other and story. Arfa is always ask Sultan. He's remind the clothes, but Sultan he's refused, saying will be bring gold medal and will be celebrate and together. And when you baby born is come in anemic. So that's why we can because and have the. Our blood and there is baby die, and after the Sultan is living wrestler. So Sultan is start mix and martial arts. So Sultan gets opportunity for this to start the wrestler, but the Sultan is refused because his wrestler took the son and wife from him. But along with that is Sultan is wanted to open the blood bank in his village.
कोई भूला हुआ सिकंदर रहता है अपने में सज के दिखाए.
So mix the material we ask wrestler is owner and offer him to for come and the ring and fight itself and his wrestler. His time is by the fighting and the word open to blood bank. The Sultan is accept the offer and tears and fight the ring. But when you see the mix of the material arts is much the more and kung fu and judo, then we refuse. But on the convince himself the 3 months of the training and from the back.
हिट निकला हुआ है इसका। और तुम 40 साल की एक रनडाउन देसी रेसलर उठा।
दिखा तुझ में कितनी रेसलिंग बाकी है। मैंने पहलवानी जरूर छोड़ी है, पर लड़ना नहीं भूला। पर्वत भी तू ही और तू ही पत्थर है, जो चाहे तू वो ही बन जाए। तेरी मर्जी है आंसू और पसीना, मरे है तो दोनों पानी पर मोड़ के रख दे दोनों ही।
Material art and trainer. The Sultan is okay with training from the best material and trainer, and basically is a Faith Singh is like a Randeep Hooda,
He's down and out.
who has playing the role of material art trainer. So Gate is a kick out of from the material and the ring.
टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है. He's down and out. जान से जाएगा बेचारा उस रिंग में.
Because he's a drug addict and the habit of the being talk on the martial arts. So the fighters. So basically in movie the Randeep Hooda is playing the character the martial arts trainer. But who are trainer is Lord the champion, and now he's the trainer is the Sultan. This story is one of the best attention the getting story like because the story is the
सब ये सोचते हैं सुल्तान की हीरो वो होता है जो जीतता है. मेरा ये मानना है कि हीरो वो होता है जो हारता है, क्योंकि वही जानता है जीतने की असली वैल्यू.
dealing with the message, and the human can become so selfish and self-estimate do the that mean any the human being might loses lot of importance, so people can close to him. So friends, don't be selfish or the self-estimate ego like. So because what you have to lose and that the person who respect you and love the most.
कोई तुम्हें तब तक नहीं हरा सकता जब तक तुम खुद से ना हार जाओ.
This is very cute and small story about like in my words. So thank you guys. You listen to my presentation. You're watching to my video. Thank you guys.